So since the time of Gurudev, he introduced this system of having chow, Radha Rani's chow program. He used to go many different houses in different states and singing the glories of Radha Rani and speaking about Radha Rani and collecting chow. Chow means what? Baskets with fruits, ornaments, dresses, and then cookies, some biscuits, whatever. All these things. So devotees used to bring baskets and offer to Shri Gurudev on the day of Radhashtami. They all come from different streets. One come from Uttarak, one come from Jutamer, one come from Kapela. All these groups, they come with a basket. And Gurudev, he used to collect with his own hands and keep on his head and was offering to his deities Radha Vinod Bihari. Understand? It's called Chow program. And there are many singers from Braj who are coming and singing Braj Kirtans. And amongst those Braj Kirtans, सुन बरसाने वाली गुलाम तेरो बनवारी सुन बरसाने वाली गुलाम तेरो बनवारी तेरी पायलिया पे बाजे मुरलिया तेरी पायलिया पे बाजे मुरलिया छम छम नाचे गिरधारी गुलाम तेरो बनवारी सुन बरसा don't dance here वारी गुलाम तेरो बनवारी. What is the meaning? आप बताओ. बोलो.
Your servant.
नहीं. Oh, listen, Radha Rani. Krishna is your gulam. Gulam means your slave. Understand? Krishna is your slave. Why? Whatever Radha Rani says, Krishna follows that. Not that what Krishna says, Radha Rani follows. Who is the boss? Radha Rani is the boss. Krishna is not the boss. He is the boss in the eyes of demigods. But when it comes to Radha Rani, then Radha Rani is the boss. Whatever she says, stand up, Krishna stand. Sit down, Krishna sit down. Sleep, Krishna sleep. Eat up, Krishna eating. Whatever she is saying. Massage my feet, then Krishna massaging feet. Decorate my hairs, whatever Radha Rani wants. Krishna fulfilling all the desires of Radha. But this is not a torture. This is out of love. Because she wants Krishna to give pleasure. And Krishna wants to give pleasure to Radha. It's a sweet, loving reciprocation. It's not actually about slave. It's not like in material world. Husband, wife say this and husband have to follow. It's not like that. There's a deep, deep meaning behind this. The deep meaning of Radha Rani, Prem, is present in this. As I was saying yesterday, why Krishna goes to, I don't like babies, when they cry. When they cry. I love babies when they are like this. क्या बोला मैंने? What I was saying yesterday. Why Krishna goes to Chandravali? Not to tease Radha Rani, but to increase the man of Radha Rani. Understand? To enhance the man of Radha Rani. That's why Krishna is going to Chandravali. So when Radha Rani get Manani, then Krishna get more opportunity to serve Radha Rani. And when Krishna serves Radha Rani, what he gets? He gets bliss and pleasure. And this is what Radha Rani wants. Understand? So in this relationship, can you see how they both are? Serving love. Serving the love. So Rupa Goswami Pad is saying, the Nayak, hero, means Krishna, he always scared of Nayika. Scared. Because she gets angry any minute. She can say anything. She's always scared. So Bhai. And Nayika, heroine, she always has sneh, affection for the Nayak, Krishna. So Bhai and sneh means fear and affection. of both hero and heroine, Nayak and Naika, is there to enhance love. Understand? Not out of any other moods, but only for enhancement of the prem. These are deep topics given by Sri Chaitanya, by Sri Rupa Goswami, and this is what Mahaprabhu wanted Rupa Goswami to propagate everywhere. And more we hear Srila Gurudev's lectures, more and more we understand the glories of Radharani and why Krishna is submissive to Radharani. तेरी पायलिया पे नाचे बाजे मुरलिया छम छम नाचे गिरधारी, है ना. तेरी पायलिया पे बाजे मुरलिया. Krishna is playing flute, Venu Geet. But how he can sing so beautifully, how he can play so beautifully flute? Because the ankle bells of Radharani, the tingling sound of ankle bell of Radharani get echo in the flute of Krishna. Teri payaliya pe baje muraliya, cham cham nache giridhari. And giridhari means Krishna start dancing. How is dancing? Na jane radha prem ache ko to bal, se bale samada kare bival. Radhika prem guru ami shishya nat, sada amanana nitya gachai uttar. Krishna learns his art of dance from Radharani. I will speak now this 10 days, the glories of Radharani in all the Cha programs in India and Radharshri program. So, who is the boss? Radharani is the boss.
Ask me.
Shri Radha Rani ki
Jai.
Barsane Rani ki Jai. So these are the topics Srila Gurudev used to bring and raise and going more and more deep. Then we understand actually why she is crying, why there is Man Sarovar. Been Man Sarovar?
Yes.
Man Sarovar? Man Sarovar? The whole pond with the tears of Radharani. If we cry, we can't even fill one cup of tears. When Radharani crying, the whole pond is called Man Sarovar. So why she is crying and why she is in Man, what Krishna is doing, we hear all these topics by Rupa Goswami, by Srila Gurudev. Then we come to the better understanding of Radha Krishna Leela. Otherwise we just think this is ordinary, like boyfriend, girlfriend, husband, wife relationship. No. Always keep in head, Radharani, all her activities is to please Krishna. And Krishna's all activities is to please Radharani. In Bhagavad Gita is saying, Man mana bhav mad bhakta, absorb your mind in me. So what he was thinking while saying
Serving
this?
Radharani.
Just like my Radharani absorbed in me, ta man manaska mat prana matate taptu dehita. 11th canto Bhagavatam. Learn this verse. Know this? Ta man manaska mat prana matate taptu dehita. How the Braj, he is telling to Uddhav, how Braj Gopis are absorbed their mind in me. And their life is me. So this is what in the head of Krishna. That's why we say Supreme Personality of Godhead. What is in the head of God? हाँ? क्या उनके head में? That's why Supreme Personality of Godhead. Rather is in the head of Krishna. Even while speaking Gita, another pastime.
When he's blowing the flute, also he's chanting the name of Radha.
हाँ.
That's why
वो
he's attracting
राधे
everyone.
राधे मोरली मुरली डाकिबे मदिया ईश्वरी नाम. Then सुनिया चमकी उठी बे यही दासी के मने धरी ते प्राण. चिंता मनी माय राधा लाही कुंजा शाता शाता. So what Krishna is like, Radhe Radhe Boli, Murali Dati. What Krishna is chanting in flute? Radhe Radhe. He can't live without Radha Radhe. Day and night just Radhe Radhe Radhe. And what Radha Rani? Krishna Krishna Krishna. And so we are very lucky and fortunate. They both met together. All thanks to Lalita Sakhi, Vishakha Sakhi, all the gopis who arranged the meeting of Radha and Krishna, and they meet together, they embrace together, and what happened? They became Mahaprabhu. And then Mahaprabhu gave the mood of Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Meeting and separation, meeting and separation, meeting and separation. If all the time meeting, there is no fun. If all the time separation, it is also not good. So, there is one term called Dur Pravas. Pravas means when Krishna gone far from Radharani. So one level of going far is when Krishna is in Braj. He is with his Sakhas or Yashoda Maiya. When Radharani is feeling separation. Oh, when we going to meet Krishna? Oh, at Radha Kund, 3:30. That is, close. But when Krishna went to Mathura and Dwarka, he didn't came back for years and years and years. Patience. And Radharani is just feeling separation. Day and night remembering Krishna, calling Krishna. And Krishna sleeping with his wives, Rukmani, Satyabhama, remembering and crying Radhe, 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 and shedding tears. It's called Dur Pravas. And when the meeting took place, after long separation, where meeting took place? Kurukshetra. Imagine what would have been the mood after long separation. This meeting took place of Radha and Krishna. That you can read in Chaitanya Charitamrita. And Krishna tried to pacify Radharani. Prabhu started crying. He is emotional. It's a very emotional topic. Krishna tried to pacify Radharani by diverting her attention from this long separation. They say, what is the need to cry? I am situated in everyone's heart. I am in your heart. My bhakti ri bhutanam amritya kalpate. Only my bhakti, you can get close proximity with me. So, I am always there. But what Radharani said? Nahi gopi yogeshwar pad kamal tamar chitte paive santosh. Tamar vakya paripati kar madhya koti nati suni gopi aar. Oh Krishna, we are not yogis, just happy and satisfied by meditating you. We want to serve you. We are not yogis, we are gopis. We want to serve you. So don't speak these topics to us. Speak this to the yogis, not to us. No, you don't understand the definition of love. But it's not that Krishna don't understand. He's intentionally speaking this to divert and pacify that separation mood. Don't think Krishna don't understand. He's very vidagdha and he's very talkative. Because he was also feeling separation. Achha? Gaur Premanande. Radha Rani ki, Shri Radha Ashmi ki, Gaur Premanande.